Move. 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 Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
We're talking about the AppleRound Pink Bouncer Cow.
Yeah.
Do you like this toy?
Yeah.
What color is this?
And this is pink, guys.
Pink, and what color are the spots on it?
What?
White, yes. So what do we use this cow for?
I don't know.
Is this a toy or is it for grown-ups?
For donuts.
No, I think it's a toy.
It's a toy.
It's a toy, and what do you do on it?
I like to bounce on it.
How much does this cost?
$15.
So this costs $16 on Amazon if you check it out. Whenever you buy this toy, this AppleRound Pink Bouncer Cow thing, it comes with a hand pump that you can put into the bottom right here and air up your toy. That way if it goes flat, you can just air it up real fast and your child can get to bouncing. Now how old do you think a person should be whenever they ride this?
Me?
How old are you?
3 in June.
You'll be 3 in June, that's right. So I think that this is totally appropriate for a 1-year-old to have. However, I think that it's possible that your kid may not get to riding it until they're almost 2. This is where it actually, all the bouncing happens right there. Now, do you guys want to see Maddie bounce?
I want to. Ow! No, your turn.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Even adults can do it.
Go balance!
Whoa! 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 This. Whoa! Whoa! Ow! 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 That hurt. I'm gonna have a bruise there. Adults, don't try this at home. I just got hurt.
Me too.
Adults definitely should not bounce on the bouncy cows, right?
No. I did her and Daddy, and we did her.
Both got hurt because of this bouncy cow right here. So let us know what your favorite bouncy toy is in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss these future videos, right, Maddie?
Bell. Huh?
I don't think they understand that. Do you think they understand that?
Time to channel, please.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, bouncy cow.